Hello guys, my name is Marek and today I will be doing another unboxing. This time I have two boxes here. I actually ordered two of them, both of them BOS Best of Show, and actually I will leave one for the next video, and that will be a surprise, so I will not disclose what is inside, and I will just have this one today. So as I said, BOS or BOS, some of them call it like just BOS, and what is actually inside. So I will open it and show you directly. Yeah. Alright. Okay. And actually it is already here. So it's the Cadillac Fleetwood 75 Touring Sedan, BOS 1-18, and the serial number BOS 190. And there are also some instructions on the box, so we shouldn't keep this on direct sunlight or bright spotlight because it may cause damage. And yeah, it's the same for every model that I have, and again, choking hazard, small parts, and not suitable for children under 14. This one actually was made in Germany. No, not really. It was made in China, and it's only distributed probably by a German company. Okay, so as you can see here, this is not a toy, so please handle it like a real model, not like a toy. Don't give it to your children. And now, what is inside? I'm really curious. And maybe some of you would ask, why the hell would I buy a resin BOS model when I collect only like luxurious sedans from Kyosho, Norev, and so on. I mean the current ones. And now this is a vintage car. Suddenly a vintage car in my collection. And the reason is simple. I want to know how it looks like and how this brand, Best of Show, is producing their models. If it really looks great or not. What is the quality? Because it was like $140 US, 140, so I'm curious. Oh God, here we go. Okay, I will put this aside. So this is what we have, and actually there is some kind of dirt. Can you see that here? It's pretty dirty. And I have also received something here. It likes some small decals and with a logo on it. I'm not sure why I have received those. Probably those stickers can be used somehow, I don't know. So let's remove this one from the box and see all the details. Okay. Wow. It's so rusty. Oh, I don't like the fact that here it's so dirty. Oh God. You know, maybe it was somewhere for a very long time and the box already started somehow, I don't know, not corroding, but it's just too old. But the car itself, it looks very nice, you know, there is no sign of any like corrosion or anything else. Oh, and look at that. I'm already wondering how this small antenna, how this could survive the transport. It's so tiny, it's so thin, and it's still there, and it was not broken. Usually many small parts like this are broken during transport. Okay, so first of all, this is a resin car. Nothing can be opened, and for 140 I'm quite disappointed because I would expect some parts that could be open here, but no. This is just a decoration here. It can't be open at all. But the paint is quite nice. Yeah, it's shiny. There are no flaws on the paint. But let's see the car from behind, and I will just take into my hands so you can see the license plate here, which says BOS 190. It's the number of the model in BOS series. So it also says Oregon 1941. That would be the year of production of the real car, 1941, obviously. And here there is a small Cadillac logo, and it's just printed here. It's a sticker actually, and I don't like the fact that this is just a sticker. The rear lights, these are quite detailed and I like them. Okay, and there are some nice chrome trims here. This is really nice. And here the wheels can be even spin. And oh, I just noticed one thing. Okay, so this is an extra part here, which is chrome, like, yeah, and here around the windows and around the B and C column, this is just a painted part. It's not really, you know, it's not metal, it's just paint. And if I just make a close look here, yeah, it's really, the quality is not that high, because I would expect that if we have a real chrome part here which is glued in, then why not also here? Why we need just paint here? You know, this is some kind of cheap practice by BOS. I don't know. Okay, so let's check the rest. The front wheels, I like the reflection. Yeah, I really like the reflection, and the logo in the middle. That's really awesome. And here, this is also quite detailed. I love it. Yeah, it's not a sticker. This is a real part. But I think the best part on this car, this is the front grille. It's so detailed with the lights here, and then the big front lights. I don't know actually what is the difference between those and those. Probably these are just some smaller ones. These are for distant lighting. Okay, and yeah, this is again a sticker. I have nothing against a sticker as a license plate, but I have a lot of opinions against painted, you know, chromes around the windows. And then there is a small statue here. This is what Cadillacs used to have during the time. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Okay, so let's see something inside, and it will be quite difficult because nothing can be opened on this car. It's one disadvantage, yeah, but you can see that everything is detailed, all the gouges, and you know, also the wooden parts around or below the windows. And I would say inside it looks great. The only disadvantage is that we cannot really open it, and I think also there is no carpeting inside. It's just everything is plastic. Yeah. All right. And from like the bottom, how does it look from the bottom? Oh God, that's ugly. That's ugly. It's so flat. There's like one flat piece of plastic, no details at all. There is only the exhaust here, few screws, and nothing. Actually, basically there is nothing except of this BOS logo with the URL, the domain you could visit, and the name of the car, again 1941 Sedan, black, yeah, of course I know that. And here, this is the serial number. So only 1000 were produced, and this is number 352. Okay, so big disappointment here. No details at all. And what I'm always testing with my models is, yeah, if they can also, you know, be easily driven like that. And yeah, this one is really great. And also the wheels are turning, spinning. Yeah, actually no, the front wheels can't be turned. Yeah, there is 0 degrees tolerance. So obviously also the steering wheel is there just for decorative purposes. Nothing can be turned, nothing can be opened. This is just for display purposes, and you can't do really anything. Okay, so then why $140 when you can't do anything? And I would tell you why. Because there are not so many companies producing cars like that. And if I want to buy a brand new Cadillac and from 1941, there is only one manufacturer, it's actually BOS, who would provide such a quality. And I mean especially the quality of the paint. That's superior. There is no single flaw anywhere. The paint is just superior. And we must, you know, also mention on the glass are just painted there. And I would repeat it again and again because this is something what I don't like. Okay, what about the suspension? I'm always trying suspension. Is there something like that? No. It's really hard. No, nothing. Okay, again. Yeah, no suspension. It's not working. And where is the gas door? Oh, I think the old cars, they used to have it somewhere in the trunk or somewhere here. If you try to open this or remove this part, there's usually the gas door. Yeah, the modern car, they always have it like somewhere here, but you will not find it here. And I'm not such an expert to tell you exactly where it should be, so we can't even compare how well this model is done. Okay, so one more thing. Let's see the roof here, and again the paint. This is excellent, excellent. So smooth, flat, flawless. And again, the inside from the other side. You can see the pedals here, steering wheel, wooden parts, and also the mirrors. These are just perfect. Sometimes, and it was actually last time when I reviewed this Rolls-Royce Phantom for $300, there was only a sticker on the rear mirror, but here this is a real piece. It's really, the reflection is perfect, there is nothing else, just the mirror, and it works like it should have. So I really appreciate it. The same here on the driver's side. Perfect reflection. I can't complain. This is wow. So this car actually, it looks fantastic. It is fantastic. And the only thing is that you can't open anything, but if you just have it for display purposes like I have, then I will just place it to my garage and I will watch it every day and enjoying the perfect paint, all the perfect details. One more time I will show you the antenna, which is so thin but still perfectly done. Yeah, the same with wipers here. So in the end, I am satisfied, and this is the first vintage car I have, and maybe I will buy a few more of them because this is really what I like. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and next time we will open the second BOS box and we will see what is inside. Thank you, bye bye.